Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the fast way of setting your timer. So this is how people usually do it. They go to clock and then they tap timer and then adjust and then tap start. But there is actually a faster way of doing it so you slide your phone and then you see the timer, you tap long enough until this show up, and then you can just adjust by moving your finger. So when you tap on the timer icon before, you don't let go until you set the time, and then you can just tap start. So that's it for today. I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.